What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can integrate PayPal smart buttons into your Shopify store. So I will be using Brooklyn theme for this video. So in the next video I will be using other themes. So I will be adding the link below in the description with different themes which I have implemented so far. So for this video I will be using Brooklyn one. So currently you can see that on my cart page of the Shopify store I have already implemented. So you can see that we have PayPal button and debit or credit card button, and I have also removed the checkout button. So I will be showing you how you can do all these things step by step. So I have this simple store which you can see that I have only a single product, and then I add it to cart, and on the cart page I am getting this specific thing. So the important thing is that I have already uploaded a lot of videos related to this, but in this video the thing which is new is like I have updated some code, and because of which you can get the product information into your PayPal receipt. And you know that if you are getting product details, the product details which has been ordered by the customers, then you can easily place the order for that, I mean deliver the order. So let me show you step by step that how you can do the same thing. But before that, if you will refresh this page, you will no more able to see those buttons. Why? Because I have removed that code. So now let's move ahead with this dashboard of the Shopify store. So here you need to click on online store, then you have to click on themes. Once you are clicking on themes, then you will be having this screen, and here we have a drop down. Click on actions, then on the down below you will be getting edit code, but you can see that I have already selected Brooklyn theme. So click on this edit code button, then you will be redirected to folders and files where you can do some customizations. So here you can see that we have layout folder, then we have templates folder. Click on that, and here you will be getting cart.liquid file. So click on this specific file name, then you will be getting this code. So here we will be copying and pasting that code which I have already created. So I will be adding the link below in the description. You just copy the code and paste it the way which I will be showing you step by step. So first of all I am going to my file here. So the first thing I have to copy here is like this script tag. So I'm going to copy from here, and then on the top I will be pasting that. Alright, on the line number 1. Then after second step is that you have to copy this script, whole script tag, and then paste it at the last. Alright, so once you are done, then we have one thing remaining, which is like this specific tag, which is PayPal button container. You should just copy this and then scroll it down, and down below you will be getting something like additional checkout buttons, and above this you can paste it. Alright, so I have pasted on line number 215, this one. And now if you will save these changes and let me refresh this page, now you will see that PayPal buttons has been appeared over here. But if you are interested to make them little smaller, and of course you are interested to remove these checkout and update cart button, then you can do also that. So let me show you how. You just copy this style tag from here and just paste it on the line number 2 below that specific script tag. Let me save these changes and let me refresh this page. So now you can see that everything has been removed, and now we have PayPal and debit and credit card button. So first example, you are interested to keep the checkout button. So for that you should remove these 3 lines. So I have removed those and saved the changes, and now if you will refresh the page, then you can see that checkout button is appeared here. So first example, you want to keep this checkout button as it is and wanted to remove the update button. So for that you need to remove these 3 lines, name equal to update. Then let me save these changes and let's refresh this page. So now you can see that we have update cart button and checkout button has been removed. So for example, you don't want this also, so just undo those changes and save these, and let's refresh this page again, and now you can see that everything has been removed and now it is neat and clean. So if you will inspect this and see on the mobile view, so this is also looking good. Alright, So this is the way how you can implement this. So let me show you few more things. So you have to go to your PayPal account, and there you will be getting a client ID which you have to replace with this SB. So here we have client dash ID equals to SB. So you should replace this SB with the actual client ID. So I will be adding the link below in the description. So you should just click and watch that video, and you will get to know that how you can find that client ID from your PayPal account, and that must be the live client ID. Alright, so once you are done with that, then all would be okay, and now you can receive the orders from your customers. Alright, so for the sake of reference, I wanted to show you that from where I got this code. So I went to official website of the PayPal, developer.paypal.com/demo/checkout. So once I am searching that, then I will be redirected to that specific code, which is this one. So I actually organized that code so that you should not be confused, and I already copied from here, so you can actually follow the steps which I have just given to you, because in that way you will be implementing the things in a proper manner. Alright, so if you are thinking you are facing any specific issue, or you don't know how to do, then you can ask me the questions below in the comment section. I will definitely help you out. So if you have any technical issue, feel free to ask the questions. I will be replying you as soon as possible. So if you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel and also like this video. So see you in the next video.